Okay, I'm going to try to work through those last 4 problems, and I hope that you don't hear people sleeping in here. Let's see. Okay, so we did 3 and 4, so I'm going to do problem number 5, which is I know I'm going crazy fast, but the plan is if I give it to you in video form, you can just slow it down and look at whatever steps you need, and we can discuss where there's problems if you have any. Okay, so this is problem number 5. So the good news is it's one term on each side. So log base 9 of 7m is the same as log base 9 of 2m minus 5. So that tells me if I ignore the logarithm part on both sides, that 7m is exactly the same as 2m minus 5. So I'm going to rewrite that like this. Okay, and then I'm just going to do algebra. So I've got that 2m on one side. I'm going to get rid of it. So I end up, when I take away 2m from both sides, I have 5m is equal to negative 5. And I'm going to divide both sides by 5. And so I end up with m is negative 1. All right. Very quickly, number 9. Not number 9, it's number 16. Where'd I get 9 from? I know you guys won't be watching this super late at night, but it's super late at night on my end. And my brain's half asleep. So I apologize. Okay. This is what I got. Left side has 2 terms, right side has 1. And so now I'm going to put together the 2 terms into 1, and I do that by multiplying the m and the 7 together. I probably should have given you some refreshers on that bit of information at the beginning, how those additions become multiplication, but this is what we've got. Log base 4 of 7m is the same thing as log base 4 of 9. So if I just ignore the log base 4 on both sides, I know that 7m is the same thing as 9. So knowing that, I can divide both sides by 7. This is really fabulous marker from Dollar Tree. Okay, so m is 9/7. I'd have to go back and get me some more. I told the poor girl working there who was checking me out with her little rubber gloves on that really Dollar Tree belongs shutting down. But I'm so grateful they haven't. Okay. I know the only people shopping there are teachers scrambling to get last minute things. Okay. All right. So I have log base 4 of 4h plus 5 is the same thing as log base 4 of 2h minus 9. So if I ignore the log base 4 part, I know that 4h plus 5 is the same as 2h minus 9. Like so. I'm going to do some magic algebra stuff. So I'm going to take away the 2 h's on both sides, and I'm going to take away the 5 on both sides. So it looks like this. I'll do one step at a time. Voila. And I'll take away 5. Okay. This is the part where you may make a mistake. It's not unusual. should be negative 14. Be sure that negative 9, take away 5, is negative 14. So I've got 2 h's is negative 14, so I need to figure out what 1 h is. So I'm going to divide both sides by 2. And hot diggity dog, h is negative 7. Okay. The last one. I hope this is the last one. I didn't look to see if that page had a back. I think the answers are on the back. If there's anything else back there, it's not going to get done tonight. So holy cow, I can't read my own handwriting. I think that says, we'll see. 19. Okay, I don't know if this is what it says. I think this is what it says. Log base 3 of 3b minus 7 is log base 3 of 3b minus 10. See, 6 and then 10. 3, yeah, that's going to work out. Okay. All right, so I have those two things are equal. Luckily, it's one term on each side, so I just ignore the log base 3 part, and I will know that 3b minus 7 is the exact same thing as 9b minus 10, and so I'll set it up and solve it algebraically. So. Like so. I'm going to take away 3b from both sides. The reason why I always do the smaller numbers because I don't like to get stuck with negatives. It is not wrong if I do it the other way. But if I take away the smaller number, I always have a positive with the variable. So I have negative 7 is equal to 6b minus 10. I add 10 to both sides. Oh my goodness, I'm tired. 3 is 6b. I'm going to divide both sides by 6. And it's going to simplify like so. Okay. So hopefully you're doing it the exact same way and you're getting the exact perfect correct answers, because this is the very basic stuff, and we're going to get into some pretty complicated stuff, and we're going to finish that up by going into that illustrative mathematics book, which is going to be kind of intense, but we can do it. That's it. See you later.